If your kitchen feels crowded the second you start cooking, this one's for you. Today I've rounded up some seriously genius Amazon finds designed specifically for small countertops and tiny kitchens. We're talking smart organizers, compact prep tools, space-saving storage, and cleaning upgrades that actually make a difference without taking over your space. These are practical, everyday solutions that help you cook easier, store smarter, and keep everything looking clean and intentional. And hey, if anything catches your eye, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description below. Starting off strong with these adjustable bamboo drawer dividers, because nothing makes a kitchen feel smaller than messy drawers. These spring-loaded organizers expand to fit different drawer widths, creating custom sections for utensils, gadgets, or even snack packs. The bamboo construction feels solid and premium, not flimsy or cheap, and it stays firmly in place once installed. No tools, no screws, just press and set. It instantly transforms chaos into structure. You can expect these to run around $30 to $40, and the visual difference alone makes them worth it. Keeping that organized energy moving, this 9-inch pine wood turntable organizer fixes one of the most annoying cabinet problems: hard-to-reach corners. Instead of digging through jars and bottles, you simply spin and grab. The smooth 360-degree rotation gives full visibility, and the raised edges help prevent items from sliding off mid-spin. It works beautifully in cabinets, refrigerators, or even on countertops. Compact yet sturdy, it handles heavier pantry goods with ease. Expect to pay around $20 to $25, and you'll immediately notice how much easier your storage feels. Staying smart with space, this under-cabinet coffee mug holder creates storage out of thin air. It slides onto flat shelves securely. No drilling, no damage, no commitment. Suddenly, the unused space beneath your cabinet becomes a functional hanging rack for mugs. It's perfect for smaller kitchens where shelf space is limited and stacking mugs just wastes room. The clean, minimal design blends seamlessly into your setup. You're typically looking at about $20 to $25, and it's one of the easiest space upgrades you can install in seconds. Right above your prep zone, this no-drill magnetic knife holder clears valuable counter space while keeping knives safely accessible. The strong adhesive backing eliminates the need for screws, but still holds blades firmly in place. Instead of bulky knife blocks or cluttered drawers, your tools stay visible and organized along the wall. It also adds a sleek, professional look to your kitchen. Installation takes minutes, and the convenience lasts daily. Expect this to cost around $20 to $30, making it both practical and visually satisfying. Now that your space feels organized, let's improve your workflow with this 8-piece mixing bowl set. These bowls nest neatly to save cabinet space, but the real bonus is the airtight lids and built-in grater attachments. You can shred, mix, and store without transferring ingredients to another container. The non-slip bottoms keep everything stable during mixing, reducing spills. It cuts down on dishes and simplifies prep. You'll usually find this set priced around $35 to $50, and it's a true multitasker for everyday cooking. To speed things up even more, this pro food chopper and spiralizer takes slicing and dicing to another level. Instead of spending extra time with a knife, ingredients drop straight into the attached container, keeping your counter clean. The interchangeable blades offer multiple cutting styles without cluttering your kitchen. It's especially helpful for meal prep or busy weeknights when efficiency matters. Durable and compact, it handles repetitive tasks easily. Expect a price around $25 to $35, and you'll definitely notice the time saved. Supporting that prep routine, this double-sided food-grade cutting board keeps things hygienic and practical. Use one side for meats and flip it for vegetables to reduce cross-contamination. The durable surface resists deep grooves, meaning fewer trapped food particles over time. It's sturdy enough for daily chopping, yet easy to clean and store. Lightweight but strong, it becomes a reliable foundation tool in your kitchen. Typically priced at $20 to $30, it's a basic upgrade that improves safety and convenience instantly. For better cooking control, this 470 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer lets you manage portions precisely. Instead of pouring excess oil into a pan, you get a fine mist for even coverage. Or you can switch to pour mode when needed. The clear glass body keeps it food safe and allows you to monitor levels easily. It encourages healthier cooking while keeping your counter cleaner. Sleek and practical, it's usually priced around $15 to $20, making it a simple but noticeable improvement. And hey, all these amazing kitchen finds are waiting for you in the description below. Grab your favorites and start transforming your home today. Shifting into food freshness, this rechargeable mini bag sealer keeps snacks crisp long after opening. With a built-in cutter and heat seal function, it reseals heavy-duty plastic bags in seconds. The magnetic base lets it stick to your refrigerator, so it's always within reach. It's compact, rechargeable, and eliminates the need for rubber bands or folding bags awkwardly. You can expect to pay around $20 to $30, and it quietly reduces food waste while keeping your pantry tidy. To reinforce that freshness, these silicone chip bag clips deliver a tight, airtight seal without damaging packaging. The soft silicone coating removes sharp edges, and the color-coded design helps you quickly identify different foods. They grip firmly and are reusable for years, making them far more reliable than makeshift solutions. From frozen vegetables to snack bags, they handle it all. A 12-pack typically costs around $10 to $15, making this one of the most affordable but practical upgrades in your kitchen. Taking storage flexibility further, this 7-pack of silicone stretch lids replaces disposable plastic wrap completely. They stretch to fit bowls, containers, fruits, and oddly shaped dishes while creating a secure seal. Dishwasher safe and highly durable, they maintain elasticity through repeated use. This not only preserves leftovers better, but also reduces single-use waste. They're flexible, easy to clean, and surprisingly strong. Expect pricing around $15 to $25, and you'll quickly realize how often you reach for them. For pantry organization, these tall glass spaghetti storage containers keep dry goods looking clean and uniform. The airtight lids help preserve pasta, flour, grains, or snacks, while the clear glass design lets you instantly see what's inside. Their vertical build saves shelf space and reduces clutter from half-open packaging. Grouped together, they create a polished pantry aesthetic. A set of 3 usually runs about $30 to $45, combining organization and freshness in one elegant solution. When it comes to drinks, these large silicone ice cube trays produce bold, square cubes that melt slowly, perfect for cocktails, iced coffee, or whiskey. The removable leak-proof lid prevents freezer spills and blocks odors from affecting taste. The flexible silicone design makes releasing cubes effortless without aggressive twisting. BPA-free and durable, they're built for regular use. You'll typically find them priced around $15 to $20, making them an easy upgrade for your freezer setup. Now for deep cleaning power, this cordless electric spin scrubber handles stubborn grime without exhausting your arms. With adjustable length and dual speed settings, it works on bathtubs, tile, glass, and even car surfaces. The rotating head does the heavy scrubbing for you, reducing strain and saving time. It's rechargeable, easy to handle, and built for tough jobs. Expect to pay around $50 to $70, and it dramatically reduces effort during deep cleaning sessions. For broader sanitation, this 10-in-1 Steam Mop heats up quickly and delivers powerful high-temperature steam across floors, grout, carpets, and upholstery. The detachable handheld steamer adds flexibility, letting you tackle smaller areas with precision. No harsh chemicals needed, just steam power. The swivel head moves easily around furniture, and adjustable settings give you control. You're typically looking at $80 to $110, bringing professional-level cleaning performance into your home. Keeping odors under control long-term, this refrigerator deodorizer uses activated charcoal to eliminate smells naturally. No artificial fragrance, no batteries, and no constant refills required. It quietly absorbs unwanted odors in refrigerators, freezers, RVs, or even closets. Designed to last for years, it's a low-maintenance freshness solution. Expect a price around $20 to $30, and it keeps your food storage environment consistently neutral and clean-smelling. And finally, to protect your microwave from daily splatter, this collapsible silicone splatter cover prevents sauces and food from coating the interior. It allows steam to vent safely while containing mess, and it folds flat for easy storage when not in use. Cleanup becomes significantly easier when you're not scrubbing hardened spills. Durable and heat resistant, it's built for repeated use. Typically priced around $12 to $18, it's a simple tool that saves time every week. Alright, that wraps up these genius Amazon finds for small countertops and tiny kitchens. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite pick, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart finds like this. And as always, you'll find all the product links waiting for you down in the description below.